What's up, guys? It's the Eagle. We're out here today at Wekiva Island. So if you've never been out here, definitely if you're in Orlando and you have some time and you want to do something away from the parks, I highly recommend coming out here. It's $1 entry. Not bad. They take credit cards, preferably if you have cash. That's always preferred. Come on out here. You can rent a canoe, kayak, stand-up paddleboard. Plenty of places to canoe to. You can canoe to the state park. That's not as bad. If you want to canoe down to Rock Springs, that's about 8 hours from here. And then while you're out here, get you something to eat. I had some Florida gator tail. You all know how much I love alligator. That was about $11.50. Nice light lunch. And then I also had a few beers. Beers range anywhere from $3.50 to $5. And then they also have wine out here. They do not have any liquors, just beer and wine, and you cannot bring any outside food or drink in unless you've reserved one of their cabanas. So yes, like I said, if you're in Orlando and you want something to do outside the parks, it's not really expensive. Come on out here to Wekiva Island, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, well, I want to thank y'all for joining me today at Wekiva Island. So I've been here for about 5 hours now, and had a nice fun day. Did canoeing. I did 2 runs down to Wekiva, had a nice lunch, all for about $60 or less. So I definitely recommend coming out here, checking out Wekiva Island. I'm gonna have links below so you can check out the website. Also, make sure if you're not already, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for alerts, and I'll see you guys later.